everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing, and it feels like it's been a while since I did an unboxing video, and that's because I've been waiting for this product. This is the Rode, or Rød as I call it, because it has a Danish in it, but Rode Wireless Go. And I have for years, many years, been looking for a good solution for the audio with when I do my videos, but when I'm using my iPhone. So a good solution to get good audio with a smartphone, iPhone. And you viewers that have seen my videos during the years, let me just open this one, have seen me trying a lot of different microphones. And I started off with one of these, also Rode Smart Law Plus, and the mic is good, but the cable is very short, like 1 meter or even less, I think. Then I bought a Sennheiser microphone that had a longer cable and a lighting connection, but that was still not long enough. So then I tried a shotgun mic. I've tried just about anything for the iPhone. And 6 months ago, maybe around 6 months ago, Rode showed that they had a truly wireless product. Oh, I just bought some things that I might not need. Never mind. A truly wireless product for just smartphones, or even if you use a camera, any kind of camera, I think. So this is a great, there must have been a great request on products like this. So I'm going to show you the Rode product unboxing and what you need also from Rode to connect it to your iPhone, plus this dongle, because Rode's products doesn't have a lighting connection, and I think that's good because it seems like Apple is going to get rid of the lighting connection. And then we have these three cables to get it to connect to your smartphone, to your iPhone with lighting connection. And then you can use this as a microphone, and you can plug in a mygga, as we call it. I think it's called, it's a Smart Law, I don't know, small microphone. As you probably noticed, it's been a long day, I'm hot, kind of tired as always. So let's put the camera closer and unbox the Rode Wireless Go. So this product is a transmitter and a receiver, and that's nothing new about that. You connect one of the ends to your phone and the other one to your camera. Oh, sorry, to your camera or phone, and the other one to your microphone. But the great thing about this is that the receiver is also a microphone, and they are small, very small. I like that. I'm a bit worried about when the product is hanging in these cables, how it's gonna be stay on the phone. So I think I'm gonna use some Velcro duct tape or something to get it to stuck on my phone. So here we have the transmitter with a clip. Let me put this away. The receiver, I guess, with the display, with a clip, USB-C cable, another USB-C cable, yeah. We have these, I'm going to use both of them. This is when you are outside, when it's windy. It's good that I have two of them. So you just put it on like this, I guess. Yeah. It didn't sit very well, so I guess that's the reason why we have two of them. This is what you use to plug it into your iPhone. No, sorry, to your camera. Your iPhone has 3 marks. So then you will use, we also have a travel pocket, that's nice. And that's it, some kind of small instruction. When plugging it into your iPhone, I think I'm gonna replace this and use this from Rode SC7. And let me see here. I can start with I can tell you that I've been waiting for this product, the Rode Wireless Go, since before Easter. I saw the news, I contacted Rode, they told me that they will be in store anytime soon. I ordered it in Sweden, they forgot about me. I ordered it from Denmark, because then they were all sold out in Sweden and they didn't know when they're gonna get new ones. I ordered it in Denmark. I later found out that I didn't have it in stock. They were waiting for it to come to stock. Couple of months later, they told me that they will not get it, or no, they would get it, but they didn't know when. So I ended up ordering it from Finland, actually. So yeah, I've been trying hard to get this product. So here we have, for your standard DSLR camera or whatever, you use this one. You have 2 marks on this, but if you have a smartphone, you need 3 marks. So I'm not gonna use this, I'm gonna use this instead. I'm gonna show you with my iPhone how to connect it. And then you can use it like that. This, if you have a smartphone or iPhone with the Lightning connection, use this. So it's gonna be a lot of products here, I think. This one, let me see what this is. It says TRRS to TRS. I do think that I bought something wrong here. But as I said, I asked Rode what kind of products I need to connect it to my iPhone. Ah, yeah, that's right. The Rode are going to release a microphone suited just for the Rode Wireless Go. They don't have any product specifically for this one at the moment, but you can use their Smart Law Plus. And if you're gonna use the Smart Law Plus, then you need this to connect to this. So yeah, a bunch of cables. How about I try it out without all this to begin with, and then I'm gonna try it out with the Smart Law, and I'm gonna try it out outside. It's dark now, so maybe I'll wait for that until tomorrow, and I'm gonna try it in the car with the sound, because all of my videos is in this distance, in this room. Not a room, it's actually my kitchen that I've turned into my sneaker room, one of. So it's very quiet here. I don't think I have any problem with the sound, quality. I think the iPhone, the newer ones, I have the XS Max. I think it picks up the sound quite well, actually. But when I'm opening boxes you don't want to hear that sound. You want to hear my voice and my voice clearly and nothing else but my voice. Then I need a microphone. So here we are. Let's try this one. So you store them with, I think it's kind of weird that they have the button on the underneath, on the side on one of them, and on top of the other one. 3 seconds to hold it in, and you have the screen with the voice. Let me see here. Yeah, you see the voice here on the transmitter. The receiver is just black, and we want to connect the transmitter to the iPhone. We have the Rode SE7 connection. Yeah, Rode SE7 here. Plug it in like that, and then the lightning into the phone. And when I do my videos here, I can use it like this, but when I'm outside, of course, you don't want to have this hanging. So as I said before, I'm gonna do some kind of, I have double tape, I have Velcro tape to do something on the back side on the case. I have a bunch of iPhone cases that I haven't used yet. I'm gonna do something like that to have it to stick on the back side, maybe a magnet, I don't know. And then we have the microphone, and when you use the microphone, you're probably gonna put it like this. Let me see here. But I think that looks really stupid. That's actually why I bought the smart law, because I don't want to have it hanging like this. But I'm gonna try to see, let's see, the mic is there, to have it in my chain like this, because this doesn't bother me at all. It doesn't look so good, but it doesn't bother me. So the recording, the sound recording you have heard so far is from a iPhone XS Max and a iPhone XR. And now we're gonna see what it sounds like this. And I actually think that we don't need any kind of app or anything. It's just supposed to work directly like this. So let's try it out. You know what? I did a quick sound check, and I'm super surprised over the sound quality, even when I had it hanging like this. I went out, I have the phone here in my kitchen, my sneaker room, and I went out in the living room just to try it out. I live in an apartment with concrete walls, so the connection here is very bad. Even though I have Google Wi-Fi with the 3 spots, the internet connection, everything is bad here. But the sound is great, actually. I'm really surprised, and I hope that you feel the same or hear the same. So this is me talking like this. I have no problem with this hanging in my necklace, but I'm guessing you're gonna hear some metallic sounds, like you hear the rappers with the fake chains, clunk clunk. But like this shouldn't be any problem at all. So I actually assumed before, because I've seen a bunch of videos of the Rode Wireless Go, that I didn't needed this. But when I'm outside, it would be nice to have this in my pocket and have a small discreet microphone up. And I think this, when I'm like driving my car, a very noisy car, I'm probably gonna have use for this one. And I remember now that I had an app to adjust the sensitivity of this one. So I'm gonna try, this is gonna be a long video, I guess, it's already long. I'm gonna try it out as much as I can. But so far so good, I'm really positive. So let's unbox this one, just for fun, just so we have something to film. But as I said, this is the distance that I have. And you know what I'm gonna do? Usually when you see my videos, you hear me with the paper and the boxes, and you hate the sound. So I want to know what you think about this sound at the moment. So This is the Rode Smart Law Plus, new updated upgrade, I don't know, but the ones that I had before, I gave it away actually because, stupid as I am, or as we all are, I thought that when microphone skipped the headphone plug, that I would never use a 3.5 connection again. But here we are. So, if you are going to use this one to your Rode Wireless Go, then you need this cable that are called Rode SC3. The SC7 was to connect the transmitter to the iPhone. And if you don't have an iPhone, you have anything else, maybe not a smartphone. If you have a smartphone, you're going to need the SC7. But if you have a camera, you're just going to need the cable that comes with the kit. So I gave my old microphone away, had to buy a new one. Feels kind of stupid about that. Let me see, so I don't cut the cable. All right. I think that I can just plug this in while I'm speaking, but if the sound is going to be really bad, of course I'm going to cut it. So yeah, if you want to connect the external microphone to the Rode Wireless Go, you need the SC3 cable. And I think that's kind of stupid, because why shouldn't Rode do a connection that fits with this one? But that's because, once again, this is the smartphone connection with the 3 marks. Everything else have 2 marks. So that's why you have to connect the 3 to a 2. Like this. And then we have this microphone. And I'm speaking the same volume. This one I'm going to put it away as far as I can. All right. I see on the transmitter that I get sound. And you will decide if this sound is much better than without the external microphone, with only this one. I actually think in this environment, the sound should be the same. I'm very positive surprised about this one, how great it sounds with just this one. But as I said, I'm going to try it outside as well and in my car to see how much of the environment sound that it picks up. But so far so good. Be right back, probably tomorrow, but with the same video. Please subscribe, thumbs up, comment, share the video if you like. Let me know what you think. Are my videos too long? They probably are. And I'm probably going to miss a bunch of things about this instruction video, but let me know and I will answer all your questions. All right, thank you. Once again, just me and my iPhone, very close this time, to show you all the products that we have here. Rode Wireless Go, these two, and this cable that I won't use to my smartphone. USB cables for charging. And then we have the SC3. First of all, the SC7 to connect your Rode Wireless Go to your smartphone. That's this cable. And then if you have an iPhone with Lightning connection, you need this dongle. And then we have, if you want an external mic, the Smart Law Plus, Rode also, with the SC3 cable to connect it to the transmitter. If you're just going to connect this one to your smartphone directly, you only need, if you have anything else but iPhone, you only need this one. If you have an iPhone, you need this and your dongle. But if you want to connect it to the Rode Wireless Go, then you need the SC3 cable. So a bunch of products, and this isn't cheap, at least not here in Scandinavia. So as I told you, I tried to order it from Sweden, then from Denmark, then finally I got it from Finland. So I really hope that you are satisfied with the sound now. Let me know what you think. It's very important to me. Your input is very important to me.